Turbine Guy coming back at you down in front of the Eco Building at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds. State Fair's coming up next week, and I thought I'd come down and take a look at our hybrid light pole because I had a sneaking feeling the batteries need to be replaced. There's a turbine, solar panel, and light for the hybrid light pole. We come on up and look, and it says it's still running. Taking a look at these batteries, I think they've been in here a little while. If you take a look at the date, they're dated from August 2013, 11 years ago. Turns out I couldn't find the keys for our locks, so here we go. Not just these batteries, but it looks like they're all a little bit old. Let's check the voltage on each of these batteries to see how they were actually doing after all this time. Battery number 1, 9.5. Battery 2, 13, so that one's still good. Battery 3, 11. Battery 4, 13. So we actually have 2 good batteries out of the bunch and 2 bad ones, which I guess after 11 years is not bad for an AGM battery. There we go. We got the 4 new batteries in. AC Delco, 62 amp hour. Just tightening them up right now. We got it up and running. New batteries in, like I said. Boom. Cover it up. And we're ready for another state fair. Got her all back together, ready to go. You know, we had that one battery that was at 9 volts. It's probably pulling all the rest of them down. It's a 24 volt system. And even though you might have 2 good batteries, if you got 2 of them that aren't doing so hot, the system ain't gonna work so good. Yeah, have to show up during the state fair, watch this baby light up at night. Turbine Guy, signing off.